Hey guys, so my name is Dakshi Gupta and welcome back to my channel Code with Dakshi. So guys, as we started the web scraping tutorial, so part 1 is uploaded already and today we are starting with part 2 of web scraping, right? So guys, what we are doing in this part, I will tell you in this video. Like we are scraping the Wikipedia of data science, like titles. We scrap the titles in this. For example, if I scroll down, like we are having these things, these 4 things with us. So we are scrapping these all of them today. So without wasting any time, let's start. So guys, what we are doing in this, go to your inspect, right? So when you are going to your inspect, you see that you are having a class of talk level, right? See, this talk level I am getting in this part. If I press on this arrow, I am getting, see, this span dot talk text. It means that this is the part of my talk text. If I see to all of them, it is giving me dot talk text. So for this part we are using dot talk text. So this is how you can scrap the website, the Wikipedia of data science. So guys, we are starting now. So first of all, there are important requests, like there are important packages which you have to install. So first of all, import bs4. So for this part we are just importing bs4. Second is my import request. So guys, these both are very interesting and are very important things, because guys, in your request, you know that, like for request as well, I told you in last video, in first video already. So for this part guys, why we are using these things, because these are my packages. So like Beautiful Soup will give us like what you need, and cannot make request. Beautiful Soup cannot make the request, and for that part we have to do the request first. So for that part we are writing here import bs4 import request. So guys, if you are getting the error under both of them, right, so do one thing, just write in your terminal pip install request, or whatever you are getting the error, just write this line in your terminal. Then just run this part. After this part, what we are doing in this, I am just creating a res variable. Under this I am using my request dot. So under this part I just want get, so request dot get, and under my get, what I am trying, I am just using this. I am just using this one, this link, and I am just putting inside this get. So after this part, what I am doing here, my link is now. So after this part, the bs4 Beautiful Soup I made, I have to put it in one variable soup. Alright, so for this part, what I have to do in this, bs4 dot Beautiful Soup, right? So under my Beautiful Soup, I am just creating res.text, because I just want the text file for this, like this one, which I am having this Wikipedia. So for this part, what I have to do in this part, I am just creating a res.txt. So after this, lxml. So guys, I like this lxml the most, because it is easiest to do and it is very interesting. After this part, the things I want, like soup dot select. So under this part, what I want, I told you that this is my dot talk text. So in this part I am just writing dot talk text, because in this part I am having dot talk text. I told you already about these things. See, dot talk text. Okay, so I'm doing the same thing in this as well. After this part, what I'm trying, I'm using my for loop. Let's say for I in soup dot select, right? So under this part, what I want to write under this, I just want to write here dot talk text. Okay, and after this 2 colons are there, because you know already if you are using for loop, so your colons are very important. And for this, print I dot text, because we are using for I. Okay, so after this, if I run this part, see, I am getting all the titles like foundations, relationship to statistics, ETY, homology, early usage, modern usage, see also references. Okay, so these are the things which are there in your title. See, foundations, everything are there, guys, everything. See, references, see also modern usage, early usage, everything are there. Okay, so this is how, like how to scrap the titles from the website. Okay, so guys, just follow this video and just tell me that this video will help you or not. Okay, so this is the part 2 of web scrapping. I promise you guys, like I will upload the full tutorial of web scrapping. Okay, so guys, please like my video, subscribe my channel, and please follow me on Instagram, link in the description. So guys, please support me. I need your support, guys. Please support me. Okay, so guys, this is the end of my video. Let's meet in next video. Okay, so bye bye, take care, love you all.